Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert SPayLater to Shopeepay. If you've used SPayLater for a big Shopee purchase and thought, I wish I could split this into smaller payments, good news, you actually can. SPayLater's Buy Now, Pay Later feature allows you to convert eligible transactions into installments, making it easier to manage your monthly budget. Here's how I usually do it. Open the Shopee app and go to SPayLater. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Convert to Installments. Tap that, then select the BNPL transaction you want to convert. After choosing the item, press Next. You'll then see a breakdown on the installment option. Pick your preferred payment term, review the monthly amount, and check the detailed breakdown. This typically excludes any processing fees shown separately. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm. After confirming, you can head to your transaction page and look for the items tagged as converted to verify the change. That's it. Your one-time BNPL payment is now split into manageable installments. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.